Oh, and it came to the top. Alrighty, well, this is what we're doing tomorrow. You know, gotta love that. This is what we're doing today. Even before we can go get, bait and get to Mason's Creek, we gotta stop by and see if the sign lady's open so I can go ahead and pay for the sign for the second annual Fishing for Football Lecanto High School football fishing tournament that Florida Redneck Fishing has entered this year. So, yeah. I'm gonna need you to come on in on Saturday morning at 5:30. Yeah. About that TPS report. Anyway, yeah. Remember, tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, 11/16 on my birthday. The video probably won't be out until Sunday because I'm going to be recording it all day, and then I got to edit it and process it and then post it. But on my fishing tournament video, we're going to announce the giveaway for the winner for the giveaway. There it is, just past it. Alright, well, we're on our way to check out this new bait store that I just met the nice lady who just opened it, and she was telling me about it, and we're gonna go check them out. I got high hopes. Called Salty Hook. Stay tuned, y'all. Alright, we're out here, just left the dock. We got our bucket full of live shrimp we got from Salty Hook Bait Shop in Homosassa. New little bait shop just opened up. Very excited about that. Nice and close in our neighborhood. Good stuff. They had nice bait. Looked good. And they expect a lot of good things out of that place. All right, it's raining. We're almost to the gap we want to fish at. So maybe we'll get up here, burn through these 2 dozen shrimp, hook up into something big. That's the goal. That's what we're hoping for. Try some of these docks down through here possibly. So here we are. Got that rig that we did the other day. And we got this. All right. Well, you guys might not see this rig until Tuesday. But that's the rig we're going with right there. Oh yeah, we caught something that time. Mangrove snapper. Oh, that's a little bit bigger. Whatever that was a little bit bigger. Oh, this might actually be a keeping size mangrove snapper. Look at that. That's a pretty good size one right there now. Oh yeah, it's gonna be 10 inches. Oh yeah. Look at this little thing. Look at this little thing coming up right here. Oh yeah, we got something. Oh, and it came to the top. Heck yeah. And it isn't small either. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's good stuff. Here soon we'll have a second view so you'll be able to see from the side, but I have caught a big fish. I caught a big one. Initial reaction is a redfish. I can't see it. Bobber's still just out of my sight. Ooh, yeah. Well, it looks like we got us a red here initially. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Daddy caught a monster red. That's a redfish we've been looking for, y'all. Florida redneck fishing. We caught a monster. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's probably one of the bigger redfish I've ever had the pleasure of dealing with. She's big. Wait until I hold this mamma jamma up for y'all. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Two spots, y'all. Two spots. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, we do a redfish clean and cook tonight. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. We just got back to the dock here at Mason's Creek. It's actually a boat ramp. There's no dock. And I already put my big old redfish in a cooler. We'll get an official measurement, but it's definitely over 20. And we'll get an official measurement. We also got that little 10-inch mangrove snapper I got to get out. And we're going to run back to the bait shop, Salty Hook, and show them that fish. And hopefully we'll be the first fisherman to get a picture of a fish on their wall. So stay tuned, Florida redneck fishing, y'all. Hey, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. This beautiful, delicious, wonderful, big-scaled redfish on the measuring table. You can see right there. Follow it down. Just shy of 24. So we caught a 23-inch redfish today. Nice, double spotted. Boing, 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 double spotted. Beautiful, beautiful fish. I'm going to, my nice handy dandy little knife here, I've tried to bleed him, but he didn't really bleed too well. We're gonna go ahead now, flip him on over. He bled some on this side, didn't he? Yes, he did. Look at them scales. Look how big they are. There are all them pin bones. There it is. Wham, wham. Massive redfish fillet. That is going to be delicious later. Alright, so what we got there is two beautiful redfish fillets and two nice mangrove snapper fillets. Not as big as somebody else on a different fishing channel just posted the other day. They're not that big. Those were some monsters, but these are pretty nice. Oh yeah. Alright, we're going to butter this up real good. Now I like to take and stuff butter in that groove where the pin bone came out. Alright, and then we're going to put just a little bit on this mangrove snapper. Alright, so what we got, bam, 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 and boom. Alright, well, what we got here is I went outside, took a big cedar log, and cut two of these cedar planks. These are fresh cut cedar planks, not bought at no store. And as you can see right here, cut with a chainsaw. Yeah, but look at that. All right. Oh yeah. All right, Doc. There you all have it. You see it, right? Very good, very good. Very nice. How much? All right. Y'all stay tuned for this because this is going to be delicious. We'll be back, y'all. And there you have it. Cedar planked. Look at that beautifulness right there. Yes, sirree, Bob. All right. Y'all have fun. See you next time.